guys, thanks so much for stopping by. This is going to be a relatively quick video and with no voiceovers, just recording as I go because it is an unboxing video. I filmed these in the past for cut cardstock. I filmed them also for scrapbook.com. However, I never add them. I think I did once before. But anyway, I decided to start doing that again because it seems like people seem to enjoy them. Okay, so I received this today and I'm going to go ahead and open it. I blocked out my address for obvious reasons. All right, let's see. Scrapbook.com always has pretty quick shipping. Very pleased with that. There we go. And they always send in these type of boxes, which I love because I reuse them. All right, let me turn it on the side so you get a better angle here. Get rid of my scissors. Ooh, I'm so excited. I got these. I've been wanting these for so long. Just kidding. Little corny humor. Let's get all those suckers out of there. All right. So. Okay. Now, I had ordered these in the past. And I put them on. I only ordered one package or two packages. And I put them on the Distress Oxides that I use the most. The colors I use most frequently. And I must say, I really do like them. I wasn't sure. I figured a seasoned foam blending pad is just as good. That's all it needs to be is seasoned, meaning full of ink to get a good blend. However, I have seasoned these seasoned and the regular Ranger round brushes, and I found these to be better. Sorry, Ranger. I'm still a fan, but I like these better. The only caveat with these is I have my blending brushes standing up in a tiered shelf that I got from Joann's, and they tip over. That's the only thing. I wish scrapbook.com would come up with a little cap or something that you could snap on to keep them from tipping over. That's my only complaint. But otherwise, blending results, definitely recommend these. So that is why I ordered more of these, so I can transfer them over to the other blending brushes. Okay, so let's open up. I wanted to give this a try. I have a lot of different low tack tapes. I have washi, I have medical tape, I have repositionable tape, artist tape. I have all different ones. I like some. I wanted to give this a shot and see what I thought of these. So I haven't ordered them. This is my first time getting them. Verdict is still out as I haven't tried them yet. So we'll see. Get these out of the way. Scrapbook.com also does a lot of times, they do, if you order a certain thing at a certain time, they add in something free. This was my free item. So, you know, I sell things online, so I can either add this in as a thank you gift for somebody or just gift it to somebody. I honestly won't use it because I have a lot of birthday type things like this, but nonetheless, I appreciate it and I can definitely find a good use for it. Slide these out. Now I ordered some flock because, as you know, the holidays are coming, and I thought in Tuscan Gold, I thought it would be nice for either an ornament or an accent on an image, background stamp, or anything like this. You can just die cut it as is, or you can transfer it with Deco foil gel. So I ordered Tuscan Gold, Ruby Red, and again, I know I'll be using this for some Santa or something, you know, maybe ornaments on a Christmas tree or something like that. It's nice for the recipient to feel it and feel the fuzzy. That's always a nice, and it adds a nice accent to your cards. And this guy, oh, look at that. I mean, need I say more? Oh my God, look at that. It's a rainbow sparkle Deco foil I knew I had to have it when I saw it. I just love it. It's beautiful. And then I also ordered this Hugs die. Wow, it's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. I had this in my cart, and it was sitting there for a while. This is from Paper Rose, and it was sitting for a while. And then when I went to place an order, we're sorry, item is out of stock. Don't you hate when that happens? So I put a notification in to be reminded of when it came back in stock. I received my notification, went to my cart, and that's what prompted me to place this order. But this is, wow, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. So let's see. Let me grab an A2 card. Okay, this, I don't want to show the front because this is a Trinity Stamps item that is not out on release yet. So I just want to show you, look how big. That will definitely cover a A2 card both ways. So very happy with that. It's bigger than I thought. And then they give you, if you order Echo Park stuff, they coupon for that. Okay, and I also ordered black velvet. This is flock as well, and I love it. So I'm getting into flocking. I think it's pretty cool, and it's something, you know, I haven't really done before. So something different to add to my cards this holiday season anyway. All right. Now, I got a few more things here. Oh, jeez. That was brilliant, wasn't it? All right. I have, this is, wow, okay. I didn't realize it was this big. This is bigger than I thought. I thought it was A2 sized. Wow. Wow, okay. I do have a laminator that this will fit in. Thank goodness. I have a standard laminator from Scotch, so this will be able to fly through. And what I'll do is I'll add either, I can add this on it, like cut it down, you know. I can cut this down to A2 size and then just add this on it, or add another gold or any color really, and just add that on. But I definitely will be cutting this down because I don't make cards this size. So yeah, I'll cut it down into fours because it's the same size as 8.5 by 11 cardstock, which I quarter. So I can get 4 pieces out of one sheet, and there's 4 sheets in here. Oh, it says 2 clear and 2 white. So let's check that out. Put that on the side there. It just fell on the floor. I just want to see what these look like. Got to be careful with the adhesive because sometimes with those, you don't want it to get stuck on the toner and then pull it off, and then you go to foil and it doesn't work as well. Okay, so you got, oh, I see. Okay. You got 2 clear like that. Okay. And again, I'll cut those in, so I'll technically have 4 of these. I mean, I'm sorry, 8, because there's 2 sheets. And then, it's nice, it comes with parchment paper. I can use that to put through my laminator. And then the other 2 are white sheets, which again, I will get 8 of them out of these. So, got to keep these protected so you don't scratch off any of the toner. I don't know if it comes off easily, but knowing me, the klutz I am, if it can happen, it will happen to me. Okay, and the last item I have, retrieve it off the floor, is the same thing in Winter Wonder. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Now, it's gorgeous. What I'm going to do, okay. Again, since I thought these were A2 size, I didn't look closely enough at this side. And that's okay, that's fine. What I'll do is, I'll cut them down. Let me open them up. I just want to see what they look like. I want to see what it looks like up here. Don't mind the ink on my hands. I got involved with some pigment. I got into a fight with a pigment pad and it won. Okay, so, all right, I see. So what I can do is cut them down like this, and I can either quarter it that way or just make strips and add those to my cards. I could do that. Foil them. Yeah, I could do that. Okay, and or you know how you make, I can make one card, make panels, and then just add them to my cards that way. So that's pretty cool. And then again, 2 white and 2 clear. So yeah, very nice. Very pleased with these. So that is my unboxing from scrapbook.com. It's not a huge haul. It's just something that I've been waiting on getting. You know, a lot of times what happens is I'll put in order, you know, I'll put stuff in my cart because, you know, with shipping prices and stuff, you want to try to get as much as you can in one order. And a lot of times I'll put in an order, I'll put something in my cart, and when I get enough items, I go to purchase and it says, oh, I'm sorry, this item, please remove out of stock items from your cart. You know, it's very frustrating. So something I wanted is now not there. So I either have the dilemma of waiting or for it to be back in stock, and you know, maybe losing another item that's in my cart. Maybe that will be out of stock. So whatever. It's you weigh the odds out and make a decision based on that. So that's what I did here with this purchase. So it's not a huge one, but it was a decent amount of items that I wanted. So okay, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned for me using these projects in future videos and future cards on Instagram. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day, and don't forget, stay safe, stay happy, stay crafty.